Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to dropship using AliExpress. First of all, in the AliExpress application, you should search for products with good reviews, reliable seller, and fast shipping. For your convenience, I highly recommend you to save links of the product that you want to sell and images as well, because you will need to upload them. And then you need to set up your own online store using external platforms. For example, it could be Instagram shop, TikTok shop, Amazon, whatever what suits you the best. And when your store is ready, upload the product photos and write clear and simple description of the item that you sell. Set a price that covers the AliExpress cost, shipping of the item, and of course your profit. And when a customer places an order, go back to AliExpress and place the order using your customer's name and shipping address. And the AliExpress will ship the item directly to your customer, and you don't need to do anything about it. All you need to do is provide your customer with tracking information, give any updates, and handle questions if they come up as soon as possible. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.